Our innovative Minnetonka Momentum Trades program continues to build. This could not be done without great community business partners that get our students access to extraordinary opportunities like guest instruction, site visits, power tools, post-secondary options, and our unique mini youth apprenticeship program. Pete Bonfey, Andy Nelson, and others at Bonfey Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, Electrical, and Sewer have offered our Momentum students tremendous educational opportunities. This included an on-site tour where students learned about HVAC, plumbing, electrical, and had an innovative getting your first job out of high school session. Bonfey technicians visit the Maker Bay several times a year, and Pete Bonfey provides insights to administrators, teachers, students, and other community professionals in a day-long visioning session.
If they don't get a chance to see this now, they're probably not going to get a chance until they get to the point they've decided something else isn't for them. And while I'm okay with that, that's part of growing up and living life. It'd be nice at least if we can plant the seed and they can get some sort of understanding as to what might be an option for them out there.
Nick Hively and team from Automotive Unlimited have facilitated multiple donations of vehicles inside the auto bay that students work on a daily basis. The students use these vehicles to learn about engine performance, braking, suspension systems, electric and electrical systems, and more. Nick also provides valuable guidance and support for all of our transportation classes. Nick provides technical advice and expertise on new trends in the industry so we can provide the most current content to our students.
The fun part for me is seeing the success of the students, where they started and what their opportunities could be. The amount of small business owners that we've seen come out of programs such as this, and just seeing them spread their wings, if you will, just the success that they've had is really exciting to see.
Pete, Nick, and all the folks at Bonfey and Automotive Unlimited, thank you for all that you do for our students.